Welcome to Hustle Tech University. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make custom transitions within the video editing software called Shotcut. Let's go. First of all, let's get the legalities out of the way. Hustle Tech University is not affiliated or sponsored by Shotcut in any way, shape, or form at the time of this video publication. Hustle Tech University, School of Technology, back at you with another one. Independent artist and creative designer, Jesus CAIN here. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials, show us some love, like the video, make yourself at home, and subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do transitions within the video editing software called Shotcut. All gas, no brakes, we're going in.
Okay, creating transitions in Shotcut is very easy. All you want to do is go to where you keep your files. We're going to take a couple pictures and a video clip. Use this picture, open it up, drag it down into your video file. Take another one. We're going to use this one as well. You drag that down into your video file. Okay, we have two picture files, which are JPEGs. We're going to extend them just a little bit. Okay, if we just put them side by side and play them, it's just going to go from one picture to the next, and that is called a hard cut. Let me show you exactly what it's going to do. And it goes directly into the next picture. What we want to do is create a transition in between these two photos. So what you do is left click and slowly drag your second picture or video file over the next JPEG file. As you can see down at the bottom, it's superimposing itself over the first JPEG file. Release the left click button, and this little section right here is what we have created. It's called a transition. Now watch what happens when we select play and it goes from one file to the next. That is a slow dissolve. That is what is called a transition. Now, Shotcut has many different transitions. You just don't have to do the slow dissolve, excuse me. You just left click onto the transition. We go in here to properties, go over here to the top, to video, and it already says dissolve. Hold down this button right here, and these are all of the transitions that Shotcut has. Let's select this one, and now check out this transition. That's a different one. If we don't like that one, you go back in, make sure that your transition is highlighted, go back up to the top, and let's try a different one. Let's try this one. Let's see what it looks like. So all you have to do is to superimpose either the video file or the picture over top of the previous one, and it will create a transition when you let go of the left click button. That is how you create transitions between picture files and video files within the video editing software called Shotcut. Very simple process.
If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this process or any other Shotcut tutorial, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality equipment for your YouTube channel? Use the link that we provide in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate you in advance. I appreciate you hanging out with us until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials, show us some love. Like the video, make yourself at home, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University. My name is Jesus CAIN. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces.